problems based on applications of sets. So here we are going to perform few problems which are based upon the applications of sets, that is of word problems, of part 2 under the advanced level. So here we are utilizing the formula that is n of A union B union C is equals to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of C intersection A plus n of A intersection B intersection C. So here based upon this principle, so here we are going to perform the problem. So here the problem is of at a social sports club with 290 members. So we can assume this as the universal set. There are of 290 members in this social sports club. So out of those, in that particular club, so here it was found that 120 members played tennis, the game, and 110 played cricket, and whereas 130 members played the badminton. And whereas 70 played both tennis and as well as cricket, and 55 members played cricket and as well as the badminton. And whereas 60 members played tennis and as well as the badminton. Then it was found, it was also discovered so here it was also discovered that 75 members had joined only for this social side. of the club. And these 75 members, say here, they did not play any of the 3 games. That is tennis, cricket and as well as the badminton. Then now he is asking us to find out, say, how many members played all the 3 games. So here the solution starts now. So in our solution, as per problem or according to problem, so here number of students, total number of students in the club. So here NO stands for the number of members in the social sports club. That is equals to n of mu, universal set, that is equals to 290. But here as per problem, say 120 played tennis. So here the next logical step will be of, say your number of members played tennis can be given by means of n of, say here tennis I am going to indicate by means of capital T. So n of t is equals to 120. And in the similar manner, so here NO, that is indicates the number of members who played cricket. Say I am going to indicate this cricket by means of capital C. Say here that equals to, or that implies number. So here n of indicates number of, so number of members who played cricket by means of C. So n of C indicates number of members who played cricket is equals to 110. And in the similar manner 130 played badminton. So here number of members who played badminton. So here I am going to indicate badminton by means of B. So that is equals to n of B, number of members who played badminton, n of B equals to 130. But here 70 played both tennis and as well as cricket. As per the problem, the next logical step will be of, so here number of members who played tennis and cricket. Say here that can be given by means of, so a number of, I am going to write indicate by means of n of tennis and cricket. So here tennis by T, so here and, say here and indicates the intersection, and here or indicates the union. So here these two must be indicated. So this is the under note. Then now, so here tennis and cricket. So tennis and by means of intersection, cricket by means of C is equals to, so there are of 70 members who played both tennis and as well as cricket. Then now as per problem, the next logical step is of, say here number of members who played cricket and as well as the badminton. So here I am going to indicate, that implies, so n of, that is number of members who played cricket by means of C and indicates intersection, and badminton by means of B. So there are 55 members who played cricket and as well as the badminton. Then now here the next logical step is of, so here number of members who played tennis and as well as the badminton. So here that implies, so here number of students I am going to indicate by means of N of, tennis by means of T, then and indicates the intersection, then now badminton by means of B, that is N of T intersection B is given by means of, there are 60 students or 60 members who played both tennis and badminton. Then now then it was discovered that 75 members has joined only for the social side, that is number of members who do not play any of these three games is given by means of 75. Then now he is asking us to find out the number of members who played all the three games. So here number of members who played all the three games. So here it can be indicated by means of, so here that implies, so N of, so here who played all the three, that is tennis and, that is intersection cricket C and intersection, then now badminton B. So here it indicates N of T intersection C intersection B indicates number of members who played tennis and cricket and the badminton, they are of unknown. So we have to find out the value of these members who played all the three games, that is N of T intersection C intersection B, which is unknown. Then now, but here we know that there are of three sets here, one is of T, C and B,